Here is how to create shadows in Canva in less than 1 minute. Open a Canva project page and bring in your image. Now let's change the background color to suit our image. In this case, I'll choose lemon green. Duplicate your image, click on edit, search for filters and choose dual tone. Change both colors to black, just like so. Click on edit again and choose blur. Choose whole image and increase the intensity. Now click on transparency and reduce the transparency. And there you go, you have your shadow. Now you can just adjust the shadow to match your main image appropriately, just like so. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe, like, comment and share. See you next time on Innovate.